Hello and welcome to my channel, The Learning Curve. In today's video, let's spell the names of farm animals. So, are you ready to spell names of farm animals? That's awesome. Barn. Farm animals live in a barn. 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 Donkey. 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 Horse. This is a horse. 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 Cow. This is a cow. 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 Rabbit. This is a rabbit. 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 Sheep. This is a sheep. 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 Duck. This is a duck. 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 Turkey. This is a turkey. 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 Hen. This is a hen. 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 Goat. This is a goat. 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 Pig. This is a pig. 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 Farm animals live in a barn. Barn. Thanks for watching my video and do stay tuned for more educational videos.